This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. This townhouse is located in a gated community close to it all. The ground floor features an open floor plan with a spacious kitchen, living room, dining room combo featuring tile flooring, and a half bath as well. Upstairs are 2 large bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms and walk-in closets in each room. The washer and dryer are on the 2nd floor at the top or the stairs, so there is no need to bring your clothes up and down stairs when washing. The unit comes with 1 assigned parking spot, a small storage closet, and an outdoor patio space with a green view. The gated community also has a community pool. This is available for annual lease only. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.